Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if biometric service is not available on your device manager and you can't able to sign up with your fingerprint, so this video is for you. I will show how you can fix this issue. First of all, you can click on your host name and then click on action and scan for hardware changes. It will retrieve all the information again on your system and will surely get back the biometric service if available here. If it is still not available here, then you can click on your system hostname action and go to view options here and show hidden devices. And once you see the show hidden devices, see if you are able to see the biometric service is listed here or not. If it is still not listed here, so we can find out with the help of file explorer. Basically you need to go to this location, C drive, Windows and System 32, C drive, Windows and then System 32. Now look for your WinBio plugins. Press W on your keyboard and look for this option, WinBio plugins. Double click on that and look for the biometric folder here. Even you can see the hello installer here, Windows Hello Face. But if that folder is not available here, in my case the folder is not available here. If you have that folder, just double click on that and under that folder you should have options to get the installer.inf. Just make a right click on it and simply install it. But in my case there is no such options available here as well here. Then what you can do is you can open your system services as admin and press W on your keyboard and look for Windows biometric service, this option, and make a double click on that. And startup type should be automatic. Just stop it once if it is running already. Stop it, apply the changes, and once it is a stop, go to this database here, Win Biometric database. This time this is a different folder. Delete all the folders inside this. And once all the folders are deleted, just start the service again. And now it will create the fresh database with this date. And now see if that is able to fix your issue or not. If still not, then we can move on to the next fix now. And sometime you can go to this Windows and press W on your keyboard and look for this WinX, this folder, WinX, WinSXS, and now you will see, just search here biometric and look for the options AMD 64 biometric. Make a double click on that, and I even don't have that option as well inside here when I search the show hidden devices as well. Let's try it. Biometric INFI, right click and simply install it. Hit yes option when the prompt opens, and if it is successfully installed on your system, it should be coming up now here. If it is still not coming up here, then sometime due to the system corruption. Open CMD as admin, hit yes button when the prompt opens and hit these commands. This will restore the system image. I will link both the command in my description box, and this will fix the Windows corruption. Once both the command are completed on a system, just restart your computer and it will be fix your issue like this. But make sure both the commands should be running separately on your Windows, and after that issue should be fixed. Also ensures that your window is up to date. Sometime older windows can cause many issues. Check for update and everything should be good now, since the Windows update can install a driver including the biometric as well on your system. Okay, so these are the steps to fix the issue, guys, and also you need to make sure that your hardware meets the requirement for that as well. So thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.